understand what's coming. If you understand what's coming, you can be prepared for it, and you understand the solutions for it. This is civilization collapsing. We get to rebuild it, okay? And let's try and rebuild it this time that's not a republic, and we actually have control. Yes, it could be, like Athens, that's just the head of the household votes. But today with technology, everybody could go online and vote. Do we invade Ukraine or we not invade Ukraine? I mean, why should these people be making decisions over what? And somebody's paid them off to do things, or buy 200 million more samples of vaccine than the population, because somebody's getting kickbacks on the side. I mean, it's time we take our countries back and knock off this nonsense. The opportunity's coming. They are collapsing. That's what this whole debt crisis is about. And Schwab out there saying you'll own nothing, you'll be happy. It's collapsing. They know that. This is them fighting, trying to hold power. All right, but they're not going to succeed. There's no way they're going to get Russia and China and everybody's going to, goose step to whatever the United Nations says. I mean, it's a fantasy dream, not going to happen.
There is Martin Armstrong, one of the most successful forecasters in all of human history, predicting that the United Nations will fail. Klaus Schwab is going down and civilization is collapsing, but we get to rebuild it in a way that you agree with and I agree with. And this is with consent, self-ownership, and freedom, also known as voluntary living, voluntary interactions. No more are we going to accept coercion in our lives. So when all this goes down, remember, you are on the winning team because you're a moral, peaceful person, aren't you? You don't use coercion in your life. So all the people that use coercion, they're being exposed, and we're not going to participate in them. They're going to be ostracized, and this is what he's saying. We are on the winning team. Let's see the future. Let's prepare for it. Let's vote with our dollars, our attention, our energy, and our focus, because we are building a world based on consent, self-ownership, and freedom.